Have you ever wondered what thrilling adventures await in the world of anime uh, as we approach the summer of 2025? Crunchyroll is set to unveil an exciting lineup that promises to captivate fans, old and new. And before diving into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. And your support means the world. This July, anime enthusiasts can look forward to a mix of returning favorites and brand new series. And uh, from the action-packed Dawn to Dawn to the uh, heartwarming Rent a Girlfriend, there's something for everyone. Let's explore the 10 most anticipated shows of the season. Each series brings its unique flavor, ensuring a delightful experience for viewers across various genres. Um, First up is Clavatus, premiering on July 2nd. In a world teetering on the edge of destruction, a powerful ruler, Clavat, finds himself in an unexpected role, raising a human infant while mighty heroes plot his downfall. Who knew saving the world could come with babysitting duties? Next, Rent a Girlfriend returns for its fourth season on July 5th. And this time, the story takes us to Hawaii, where Kazuya and his friends embark on a vacation designed to strengthen their bonds. Uh, uh, Family dynamics and comedic mishaps are sure to follow. And on July 10th, Dr. Stone Science Future returns with its second tour as Senku and his team escape danger. They head to South America, where new challenges and discoveries await. Science has never been this thrilling. The Rising of the Shield Hero is back on July 9th for its fourth season. And uh, Naofumi and his companions prepare to face a formidable nation while dealing with the threat to Raftalia. Will they overcome the odds once again? And mark your calendars for July 5 as My Dress Up Darwin returns for its second season. And Marin and Gojo's cosplay adventures continue, filled with humor and deeper connections.
New characters and romantic twists are on the horizon. Where
On July 6th, Toilet Bound Hanako-kun dives into the sacrifice of the Grim Reaper storyline, the mysteries surrounding Shinigami-sama and Akane Aoi's fate will keep viewers on the edge of their seats. Gachi Kuta, also premiering on July 6th, introduces us to Ruo, who navigates a world divided by wealth and poverty. Wrongly accused of a crime, he must fight for survival in a ruthless environment. Get ready for the second season of Kaiju no Core. 8 on July 19th. That he will explore the depths of his powers as new kaiju threats emerge. The defense team must rise to the occasion to protect humanity. The Grand Blue Dreaming makes its long-awaited return on July 7th. After 7 years, uh, Yuri and his Porky friends are back for more underwater antics and bar brawls. Uh, expect laughter and chaos in equal measure. And finally, on July 3rd, Don Don returns for its second season. The Evil Eye Saga continues as Okarun, Momo, and Gigi face their most dangerous adventure yet. With emotional stakes and thrilling battles, this season promises to be unforgettable. It's as we gear up for this exciting summer lineup, remember that anime has something for everyone. Whether you're in the mood for laughter, action, or heartfelt moments, these shows are sure to deliver. And speaking of anime, why did the anime character bring a ladder to the bar? Because they heard the drinks were on the house. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,